Best Car Wash Water Gun ensures efficient cleaning, saves time, conserves water, removes dirt easily, and protects vehicle paint surface. My today's video is about top 5 best car wash water gun that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun Plus Microfiber Wash Mitt. The Foam Cannon Car Wash Gun delivers an impressive, professional-level cleaning experience without needing a pressure washer. Simply attaching it to a standard garden hose transforms ordinary water flow into thick, clinging foam that covers the vehicle evenly. This rich suds action helps lift and encapsulate dirt, significantly reducing the risk of scratches, swirl marks, and paint damage during washing. One of its standout features is the 6-level adjustable foam control, allowing users to customize foam density based on cleaning needs, from light rinsing to heavy-duty washing. This makes it versatile for cars, trucks, wheels, glass, and exterior trims. Designed for convenience, it simplifies car care into a quick, enjoyable process that takes just minutes while delivering superior results compared to traditional washing methods. Whether you're a beginner or a car enthusiast, it offers a smooth, efficient, and satisfying cleaning experience with noticeably better finish and shine every time. Now our second product is Chemical Guy's Torque Foam Blaster 6. The foam washing car gun delivers a highly convenient and effective car cleaning experience, turning a simple garden hose into a professional-style foam sprayer without requiring a pressure washer. Its adjustable foam ratio dial is a standout feature, allowing users to switch between light rinse and thick, rich suds depending on the cleaning task. Whether washing cars, wheels, glass, or trim, it provides full control for different levels of dirt and grime. The thick foam produced plays a key role in safe washing by encapsulating dirt particles, minimizing friction on the surface, and significantly reducing swirl marks and scratches. This ensures a gentle yet thorough clean that protects paint and exterior finishes. Designed for ease of use, it attaches quickly to any standard garden hose with no extra tools needed. The ergonomic build and quick-release connectors make handling smooth and comfortable. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal for both beginners and car enthusiasts seeking fast, fun, and efficient car care. Our third product is Tool Daily Foam Cannon. This adjustable snow foam lance is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for pressure washer systems, offering professional-grade foam performance for vehicle and household cleaning. With a 1-liter capacity and a working pressure range of 1,000 to 3,000 psi, it generates thick, clinging foam that helps loosen dirt effectively before contact washing. Installation is simple. Just connect the 1/4-inch quick connect fitting to a pressure washer gun or wand, mix soap with warm water, and adjust the top knob to control foam thickness. The adjustable nozzle allows precise control over spray patterns, ensuring efficient coverage for different cleaning tasks. One of its key strengths is the inclusion of 5 interchangeable nozzle tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, 65 degrees, making it suitable for everything from concentrated cleaning to wide surface rinsing. This flexibility enhances usability across cars, motorcycles, driveways, roofs, and windows. Built for durability and performance, it delivers consistent foam output, making car detailing faster, safer, and more professional. Now number 4, SPTA Pressure Foam Sprayer. This electric pressurized foam sprayer offers a highly convenient and modern solution for effortless car cleaning. With its simple operation, users only need to mix cleaning agent with water in the 2.25 L tank, then activate the 1-button switch on the handle to generate foam instantly. The intelligent electric pressurization system eliminates manual pumping, making the entire washing process faster and less tiring. It comes with 2 interchangeable nozzles, one for thick foam application and another for clean water rinsing, providing versatility for different cleaning stages. The adjustable spray system ensures effective dirt removal while maintaining surface safety. Built from environmentally friendly, acid and alkali-resistant materials, it is durable, non-corrosive, and designed for long-term use. Its rechargeable design and cordless portability make it especially practical for outdoor or travel use, allowing users to clean vehicles anytime, anywhere. Lightweight, easy to assemble, and simple to maintain, this device is a perfect all-in-one car wash solution for users seeking efficiency, convenience, and professional-level cleaning results without bulky equipment. And our last choice is Makillen's short pressure washer gun. This pressure washer gun is a thoughtfully designed upgrade for anyone serious about car detailing and efficient cleaning. Its standout feature is the smooth swivel inlet, which allows the hose to rotate freely during use, effectively preventing kinks, tangles, and unnecessary strain. This greatly improves workflow, especially during longer washing sessions. The pre-installed fittings with Teflon tape and Loctite add real value, saving setup time while ensuring strong, leak-resistant connections. Built from stainless steel and brass components, it offers superior durability compared to many standard plastic or low-quality alternatives. The lightweight, ergonomic pull trigger and compact snub-nose design make it easy to handle with one hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. It also pairs perfectly with foam cannons, making it highly suitable for detailing enthusiasts who want thick foam application and precision control. Overall, it replaces bulky, leaky stock guns with a more reliable, efficient, and user-friendly solution designed for professional-level car care at home. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.